So this is your main attic walkway. There's your hatch. If you come over here and go towards the front of the house, there's like a separate room in there in front of everything. Alright, so this is the wall that separates the corner of the front of the house. This is just over that bedroom. You can see those windows, that's in front of your property. When that goes up, this corner right here is enclosed. And I think your leak is happening inside there. So here's the front side of that room that's blocked off. Here's that vent. There's the can light for the front porch. And then this whole room above that bedroom has been walled off. There's no access to that area. I haven't found any other water damage up here today. Alright, Dr. Mike, this is the corner. This is that roof vent he was talking about. We do have a little bit of moisture leaking out of it. You know, if we do get a wind-driven rain, it could blow through these louvers. But in reality, it could blow through any one of these vents. See, we got some moisture down with that one too. You got plenty of vents up here. These are 9 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on each side. 18 vents total on the roof surface. Don't see any damage up here today though. Mortar cap's getting a little bit cracked. That's typical. That'll happen within a year of installing it. Hey, Dr. Mike. I think your best course of action is to try and get access to that room in the attic. If you can cut a hole into that little room and just verify that it's the vent before you pay the $700, you can get the roof vent replaced, but for $700, I don't think you have to buy a new one. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It's 4 years old. What kind of damage is there going to be to it? Why it's leaking? I didn't see any physical damage on the roof surface, and if there was any damage below the roof surface, we need to get into that room to verify that. And you need to verify that there's insulation in there as well. So that's the course of action I would take. Hope this helps. Thanks, Mike.